Hey folks, Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guy, right here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm staying in one of the mountain view rooms at Harrah's. Let's see how it goes. Now, Harrah's was one of the early of the mega resorts that was done. It was built in 1992. It's actually now owned by real estate investment trusts by Vici Properties and operated by Caesars Entertainment. The funny thing is that it was started by Harrah's Entertainment back in 1992. They ended up buying Caesars, and so the funny thing is now Harrah's is Caesars, but Caesars is actually Harrah's, and it's all complicated. Anyway, that's very Las Vegas-y. So let's actually get down to it and take a look coming in towards the entrance of the main entrance in the back of Harrah's. Getting into the room. Now, they have one of these sensor doors, which I like a lot. I just think they look nice and they operate really, really well. And getting into one of the mountain view rooms. Now, one of the things that they do have, as you see, they have this card next to the light, and when you come on in, everything is dark, no lights will work. You actually have to put in your room card into the slot to make the lights work. It's something that came out quite a few years ago and is popular in some areas, and Harrah's has that system. So it's kind of basic, not really fancy, but kind of modern. It has this seat in front of this little vanity or makeup station here. I'm not really a fan of those sorts of seats. Some people are. One thing I do like is they have some of these modern mirrors with the lights on it, which when you're shaving, putting on makeup, that sort of thing, it just gives you a lot of light to be able to do what you're doing. Hotel safe. Has a big TV up there. One of the things I really do like is, this is a basic desk, but on this light fixture, it does have electrical outlets for both three-pronged and a USB, so you can charge everything that you got. My particular room, kind of hard to see because of the lights, but we're actually looking at the back of the Carnival party area. So kind of give you an idea of where this particular one is at. It does get a little bit loud. I need some earplugs. But fairly nice, very comfortable beds, thick mattresses. It's not a huge room, but good enough. I really like the bathroom. It's not really big, but as you see it here, pretty modern. Again, it's got those backlighted mirrors, which make doing things in here really good. It's a little tight. There's an area behind the door to hang up your stuff. I really love the shower. It's got everything that you have automatically in here, and I'm a really fan of these rain shower type of faucets. And it's just a cool thing. Just as far as the makeup of the shower, I just really enjoy it. This is a great sort of situation for me when I go in. So for the price, it's a fairly inexpensive price. You can stay here for $50, $55 a night, including resort fees during the week. Now, the other thing that I really like about Harrah's is it's probably one of the more walkable properties. It's right there in the middle of Center Strip, right across the street from the Mirage. Just a real easy walk to places like the Venetian and Caesar's Palace. In fact, the Forum shops are directly across the street from Harrah's. Not too far from Bellagio and those sorts of places. So for being a reasonably priced sort of place, it's really good accommodations, and like I said, right close by to all the other stuff. It has quite a bit of entertainment just kind of going on here. Donnie Osmond. It's got the Whitney hologram show. I have not seen that yet. Interested to see. And just some interesting other shows going on. Tape Face, I haven't seen either. Restaurant-wise, it's got fairly good choice. You've got their top line is Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. It was closed when I came by to look at it, but that's a prime steakhouse chain. Really good food, pretty pricey. It's a decent choice. There's others that I would think would be better. It's got also a lot of others. Of course, we've got a Bobby's Burger. because of course just about every place has to have a Bobby's Burger. This is the Fulton food area, and this is one of the places that's kind of typical Las Vegas, is that there's a lot of food stalls there that are not open right now. I would guess about 50% of the food stalls are not open. Also got a Buddy V's. He's one of the famous chefs. It has to have folks in there. One of the things that I do love is in almost all the Caesars properties, they have these cake vending machines from the Cake Boss, as is known. So it's $8.99, so basically $9 a piece. You can go ahead and get one of these pieces of cake 24 hours a day. They do stock them with fresh product every 24 hours, so it's pretty good. I've had them and they're very good. One of the other things that I love, is fascinating about it, is the greenbacks. Now this is a statue that's in the middle of the Harrah's Casino area. It was put up there simply because, hey, we got to have some fun. Again, originally this was a Mardi Gras sort of place, and so it was very fun. And so let's do something that's just lots of fun. And so really that's kind of the business at Harrah's. It's got a monorail stop, actually one of the most convenient monorail stops, the Harrah's Link station. So put it all together, Harrah's is a pretty decent, relatively low-cost option in the middle of the Strip, convenient to everything around it, and that's not bad. Hey folks, again, this is Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guy, here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and my channel is all about the tips, the tricks, and the hacks that you can do to get a cheaper experience, a better experience when you're traveling in general, but also especially here in Las Vegas. If you like this content, please give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, hey, that's okay, give us a thumbs down, we don't mind, but please let us know. What's your favorite place on the Strip to stay? I'd really like to know. And is there any other type of content you'd like to see later on in the channel? If you have any questions, please post them down below in the comments. And until next time, when you come to Las Vegas, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.